Say hi, Grandma, Grandpa. Say hi, Ian.
Hi.
Say hi, Brian.
That.
Camera.
Oh, that's cool.
Registration. The kids are already going to camp. Say hi, guys.
Bye.
There's the parking lot. This is the road yeah, this is the driveway. Here's a cabin right here. But that's a different, oh, that must be archery. Tomahawks. These are all the cabins. Did someone go in there? Did one of the kids go in there? Girls. Hi, Moose. Good, how are you? Hi, Rennie.
Hi.
How did you do it again? Seals. Her counselor. Hi, counselor. Hi,
I hope we just don't get
all
flooded
right,
up this time.
showers. Oh, one shower. Woo. You guys gonna have to share. Sorry. Oh, bathroom.
She went to camp. Were you 6 years old?
Oh, Ian.
Trying to figure this out.
Their bed.
Oh,
And the counselor. Hi, counselor.
Hello, I'm Jabberwocky.
Hi, Jabberwocky. Say that fast. Hi, boys. How many you have in here? 2, 4, 8?
One more actually. So
Nine?
there should be 5 people.
Oh,
We
nice.
live in a small cabin this week.
Cool. Mozart is Brian. Karsten, I don't know. Driveway. Yor is Ian. Curie. We have Kuso. Wait, is that what that one was? That's Karini. And we're still trying to find the rest. So we have 2 kids we're missing. Dallin and Saint.
Sam's up here.
There's Sam.
Oh, I play trumpet too.
Is this one yours, babe? This was yours? Yeah. I'm gonna look inside.
Hey, how you doing?
This is good all.
Keep playing, I'll take a water bottle out. You guys keep playing the game. For 1 second.
Here's his
How you doing,
monkeys
Pokey?
in it. Oh,
Nice to
Jean
meet you.
Goodall. Makes sense.
Nice.
Hi.
Hey, nice to meet you. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Lovely.
Where's Sam set up?
Here, huh? That was so awesome.
Let's see.
It's his second
Got
year.
his luggage. And, oh, that's his luggage.
It's gonna be awesome.
Got his name tag already. We got shower.
It's so much fun. Where are you coming from?
Some keys already set up. Hanging stuff up. Books.
Is it up north or
Towels. Bathroom. Autobahn! Hi! Dylan!
I'm just hanging up for things with my
Oh, you brought your own duck tip. That's
Al.
incredibly prepared.
And he's happy to share, huh?
Yes.
Yes.
What's that up?
Lots of writing. Hi! Hi, boys! Jennifer's gonna be on 360 video and she don't even know it. Oh, now she knows it.
Wait, what's a 360 video?
You can turn it all the way around.
All around. What was that one movie?
Can you handle?
Aubrey was like literally, she's like, okay, bye mom.
Bathrooms. There's the lodge.